Today is another park improvement that we are cutting the ribbon on. We've put millions of dollars to work over the summer in improving the infrastructure for recreation across the city. And I want to turn it over first to our Director of Recreation and Youth Development, Lucinda, who's really led a lot of these efforts and done an amazing job in recreating what the youth activities and youth spaces look like throughout the city. So turn it over to our Director.
For the project behind us, you see a brand new safety surface underneath the beautiful and highly used playground here at Hamilton Park. This is a big playground. It is active all the time, and things that are used all the time, they wear and tear over the years. So we were able here to bring some dollars together through the local recreation improvement grant and the Division of Community Development, along with some dollars out of our own operating budget to remove the existing surface that was old and worn and put a beautiful new surface down.
I'd just like to take a moment to thank Mayor Fulop and specifically Director McLaughlin for making this possible. The improvement for the new surface has been a long time coming. I'd also like to thank all the residents who made a comment about the park service on SeeClickFix. But these improvements and importance of the parks to the city government has been wonderful, and we appreciate the support here at Hamilton Park. Thank you.
My kids utilize this playground basically every day, so we knew how needed they were, and it was great to have the director talk about all the safety surfaces that are coming. But we're really glad to get it open and know that we're working on in downtown, getting all the parks, all the slides, every issue we have, we're working to get it repaired. And I know the director and the mayor are bringing that same energy and effort to parks across the city. Thank you, everybody.